chapters, physical world and the unit and dimension. At least one question will ask from this part. These are also another packet, which a very big packet of the 12th class chapters. Hello my dear students, today we are going to talk about the some important chapters related to the NEET. So my dear students, obviously the entire syllabus is important to us, but first of all I will give you a breakdown of each packet of chapters. So after that I will give you an idea which chapter have a more weightage. Okay, so each and every chapter is important, each marks is important to us, but I will show you which chapters holding the most weightage from the last few year exam papers, right? So first of all, tell me about this breakdown of a packets of a syllabus. First of all, you are going to see the chapter physical world and the unit and dimension. At least one question will ask from this part. This will holding an entire one part over here, and after that you are going to see a mechanics part in below. In this also kinematics part also there, motion in a straight line, motion in a plane, relative motion, two-dimensional motion, those things will come out over here, and it will come into the at least one or two question will ask from this part. Then again, the most important major part of this is what? Laws of motion, work, power, energy, and the system of particle and rotation. This entire part, from this entire parts, at least 4 to 5 question will ask in this examination. Okay, so I request all of you, please do not forget to cover this part. It's really important to all of you. Okay, so coming to the next thing, obviously this entire part is coming to the category of mechanics. So all of you have to know the importance of the mechanics in the entire physics, so we cannot afford to lose any chapter. Okay, after that another packet is what? The thermal properties of matter, thermodynamics and kinetic theory of gas. This is another packet, my dear students, where you have to grasp. Okay, these are the chapters which are interrelated to each other. Then when we coming to the weightage of the chapters, so you can see the thermal properties of matter holding a major weightage in the examination as compared to last year examination. Coming to the next one, when we talking about the gravitation, mechanical properties and solid and fluids, so this is also another packet of chapters which we need to cover entirely, and at least 2 questions will ask from this part. Okay, and oscillation and wave, this is also one another packet which holding another category. So my dear student, in oscillation at least 1 question will ask, but from the wave, minimum 2 question will ask from this part, wave. So you can see wave part is important, but before understanding the oscillation, we have to cover to understand the wave chapter part properly, we have to cover the oscillation also. Okay, so we cannot afford to lose it. Then another one is what? Capacitance and the current. When you are going to learn it according to the NCERT syllabus, obviously capacitance is combined with the electrostat. So this is I merge it together so you can relate them, because most of the concepts are related to each other. The current chapter is holding major weightage in the examination. Okay, after coming to the electric field and charge, electrostatic potential, magnetism matter, moving charge and magnetism. So these are also another packet, which a very big packet of the 12th class chapters, but you can see the moving charge and magnetism holding a major weightage as compared to the other one. But at least one question will ask from this part, but more than 2 question will ask from the moving charge and magnetism. Okay, coming to the next thing, which is ray optics and optical instruments. So this is a very interesting one and a very scoring one also. So you can easily get the marks on this one with a very nice practice. So my dear students, from this part, it's also holding ray optics, also holding a very important weightage of the chapters. So at least 2 questions will ask from this part. Then again coming to the electromagnetic waves, this is the one separate one where we are going to combine the electrostat and magnetism and wave concept in together, but in a very concise manner. So at least 1 question will ask from this part. It's a very small one, so you can, if you want to cover it, you can cover it. Now coming, see the modern physics. So entire this packet, it plays a very important role. So from this part at least 10 question can ask from this chapters. Okay, and it's a very theoretical one. The more you practice, the surety of getting the entire marks from this chapter you will get. So it's totally depend on your practice how you are going to see the question. Okay, so this is the main thing where we need to work on, my dear friends. I told you according to the weightage, so I will repeat again. So you can cover this modern physics part, you can cover the ray optics part, or we can say you have to pay more attention on this part, then current, wave and the gravitation and moving charge and magnetism. Then after that, Then after that, you can talk about the laws of motion, rotation of particle, and thermodynamics. These are the most scoring part. You can easily score it. Thank you, everyone.